How to add cookie consent banner to Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add cookie consent banner to your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. After that, you will be in that website dashboard. And then you can navigate to the sidebar. You can scroll until you find settings. You can click on it. And then you can scroll down until you find compliance, privacy, and cookies. Click on it. And as you can see, add a cookie consent banner. Help your site meet GDPR and CCPA compliance with a customizable consent banner and automated cookie banner powered by industry leader user-centrics. So you can click add to site here. And as you can see, this is the what is this? The details or the preview, the description. You can just go ahead to agree and add, and it's done. As you can see, uh, the banner is inactive because you can choose to show or hide the consent banner on your site. You can click show banner here, and it's live. It's easy. And then actually you can customize it. You can change the layout if you want. So there is banner flat like this, or banner button like this, or banner center. It's up to you. Or corner left or corner right. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose banner flat here. I think it's good. And also there is privacy trigger here. You can click on it. So you can show on all pages or show on selected pages. It's up to you. And for the placement, you can choose the right or bottom left. And the icon, if you want to change it to fingerprint or others, but you have to upgrade it. You can also change uh, the color of the background. And then for the text label, if you want to change it, you can change it to English, or you can manage the language. And for the banner intro message, you can change it. But basically, to access more features, you have to upgrade to get premium. So get premium to access advanced styling features. But basically, for the free features, it's enough. I think, yeah, it's enough. So yeah, if you want to upgrade it, it's up to you. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.